Once upon a time, a boy named Alex lived in a beautiful small village. Alex had a unique fascination with jigsaw puzzles. His room was filled with boxes of various shapes and sizes, each containing a new challenge waiting to be solved. One day, while visiting a neighboring town, Alex stumbled upon a jigsaw puzzle competition. As he watched the participants quickly put together complex pieces into beautiful pictures, he was filled with excitement. In that moment, he decided he wanted to become the best puzzle solver in the world. There was just one problem: Alex had a visual impairment that made it challenging for him to see the tiny details on the puzzle pieces. But he was undeterred. He believed in the power of perseverance. He started with simpler puzzles, gradually working his way up to more complex ones. Each piece was a modest win and a symbol of his dedication. His fingers became more sensitive to the texture of the pieces, and his mind developed an incredible talent to visualize the completed picture. As the years passed, Alex's skill grew, but he still faced skepticism from others who doubted his ability to compete on a larger stage. But he refused to let their doubts define him. He practiced tirelessly, sharpened his craft day and night. One day, Alex received a letter inviting him to participate in the National Jigsaw Puzzle Championship. It was a dream come true, but the challenge was immense. The puzzles at the championship were incredibly intricate, designed to test the limits of even the most seasoned puzzle solvers. As the competition began, Alex felt a mixture of excitement and anxiety. His fingers danced over the pieces, fitting them together with incredible precision. His competitors were amazed at his ability to conquer puzzles that seemed impossible to solve. The final round arrived. Alex and the current champion were battling it out. The puzzle before them was a true masterpiece, with thousands of complex parts. As they worked, sweat beaded on Alex's brow, but he didn't waver. He knew that this was the moment he had been preparing for his entire life. With the clock ticking, Alex placed the final piece, completing the puzzle in record time. The crowd erupted into cheers. Alex had not only won the championship but also shattered stereotypes and proved the limitless power of perseverance. His story spread far and wide, inspiring countless individuals to chase their dreams relentlessly. Alex's journey taught us that when you believe in yourself and persevere through challenges, even the most extraordinary dreams can become a reality. So, the next time life presents you with a tricky puzzle, remember Alex, the puzzle master, who proved that with unwavering determination, you can overcome any obstacle and create your own masterpiece of success.